y'all, what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a treat for you guys. I am going to be doing another review on a mask. So I did a review on the green stick mask and you guys absolutely love that. A lot of you guys thank me for being so honest in my review and for pretty much debunking the claims that have been plaguing TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and all of the above, okay? So I was scrolling on TikTok, you guys, and guess what I saw? Bam! An eggplant mask that looks pretty much the same as the green stick mask, and it also claims to do the exact same thing as the green stick mask. If you guys are not familiar with the green stick mask, I'm gonna put some clips on the screen so that you guys can see it. Basically, it is the best product that has ever hit the market, and when you put it on your face, it's supposed to just suck out all the blackheads, suck out all the impurities, and it's supposed to just brighten your face, and you're supposed to just look so airbrushed and radiant. When we put that to the test, you guys, there was no before and after. My face looked the exact same. So, you know, with this, I wanted to see, you know, maybe if they're finally being honest. We'll see. So this is the eggplant mask. To be honest, I've never heard anybody talk about, you know, using eggplants on your face. You'll hear about using turmeric, aloe vera, all of those things, but never eggplant. So I wanted to look it up to see if eggplants are really good for the face, and they say it is. They said that it's rich in vitamin C, great antioxidant content. It can help to reduce blackheads. It can help reduce acne and things like that. So it seems like a pretty good mask, right? So let's get into it. I don't really know the ingredients or what's in this mask, so I just pray to the Most High that it is nothing bad for my skin, because everything here is in Chinese or Mandarin, so I cannot read that. I don't know what that says. I only know English. So yeah. Oh, the cap's a little bit loose. So this is how it comes. This is how it looks. It's a very, very small, you guys. Very, very small. And from what I saw with as far as the instructions on how to use it, they did suggest for you to wash your face. So I did wash my face, you guys, or cleanse my face with the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. This is what I use on my skin to cleanse. And they said after that, just proceed with the mask. So it does have a little glass cap. It's a little hard to come off, so I'm just going to twirl it. Y'all, this thing broke. Oh, there it goes. All right, there it goes. All right, so here it goes. It's coming up. So they say to cleanse your face and then apply this all over your skin for 10 minutes. As far as what's on my face, I did do a little bit of eyebrows because I was doing another video, but as far as my skin, I have nothing like on my skin or anything like that. My skin is completely clean. There's nothing on the paper. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to apply it, let you guys know how it feels, and do like an actual thorough review of this. This one actually has a scent. The green stick mask didn't have a scent. This one smells like a really strong perfume, but very pleasant. Okay. It's not really going on as creamy as the other one. It's almost going on like it's chalk, which I'm not used to, and it's drying instantly. There's nothing coming up on my hands. Like, it's literally drying instantly, which is very strange for a mask. I really don't like, wow, this is a strong scent. I really don't like masks like this because I feel like I contaminate the entire thing when, you know, I apply it directly to my skin and then I have to just like put the cap back on. I've contaminated the entire stick, so I feel like that's not really the best as far as being sanitary. It doesn't feel smooth going on. As I said, it feels very chalky, and it looks very chalky as well. It's almost like it's instantly drying, which I'm not really a fan of that either. but it's supposed to do some great things. So as far as my skin, just to give you guys like a background on my skin type is very oily. I have very oily skin. It's ridiculous how oily my skin is, and especially like in these areas right here, it gets very, very oily. I have big pores right here, as I'll show you guys in those videos that I will include, and I do get breakouts on my cheek, and I do have some hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. My forehead get really fine bumps, like blackheads and whiteheads, and that's pretty much my skin. Like, my skin has never been perfect, but you know, I've tried my best to really get it to where it needs to be. So yeah guys, that is that. So the instructions say to leave this on for 10 minutes. So that is what I'm going to do. Let's set my alarm clock. It does feel tingly, I'm gonna say that much. I do feel like a little bit of a tingle, especially in these areas. So I'm gonna let it stay for 10 minutes, and then y'all, we gonna see what it do, like what it really do. I'm excited to see the changes. You know, according to them, I'm supposed to just have completely flawless skin after this, so I am super excited to see the changes. And all right y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. And can y'all see a difference? Cause I can't and I don't. I do not see any type of difference in my skin, you guys. My skin looks the same 10 minutes ago as it does now. I was expecting to see, you know, some blackheads or something on the surface of this mask, but there is nothing. And I'm trying to figure out, like, where did I go wrong? Can y'all figure it out? Cause I can. Chia, that is where we went wrong, y'all. We forgot to add the chia seeds. They can't fool us, y'all. Y'all know what it is. They forgot to add the chia seeds. And honestly, now that I'm feeling this mask, I'm trying to figure out how they even got the chia seeds on this, because this mask is like chalk, you guys. It is so drying. So I'm so sorry for all my dry skin folks out there, because this is such a drying mask. It's very lightweight though. It feels like there's nothing on my face. That's the positive of this mask. But you guys, it is so drying. It feels like I'm wearing chalk on my face, like legit, like nothing's coming off in my hands. It's almost like it's a part of my skin. That's kind of how it feels. So I don't even know how they got the chia seeds to stick, because it's so dry and you could just kind of wipe it off. But yeah, y'all, this is the missing piece. So I'm assuming, you know, what they do, they take their sticks, they put it on, and then they hurry up and get the sprinkling. That gotta be it, you guys. Because how else? You see how that looks? That looks just like everybody else now. That gotta be it, you guys. That has to be it. So yes, guys, that is the missing link, the addition of the chia seeds. So if you guys have this mask at home and you're wondering, like, why is it not working? Is there something wrong? Did I apply it wrong? No, you didn't. You just forgot to add your chia seeds. That's all. That is all, you guys. That is all. Some people even go as far as to add seasonings, black pepper. Your face is not food. There's no need to be adding that stuff to your face. You know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. That's crazy. These people are out here seasoning their faces to sell a product, and it's working, unfortunately, because on my green stick video, a lot of you guys were like, I was about to purchase and I decided to do some research. Like, a lot of you guys are falling for the scams. Don't do it, you guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not going to do what it says it's going to do. Okay? And as far as it working over time, I don't know if that's true, but as far as what they're advertising that when you use this mask within 10 minutes, you guys are supposed to see black stuff, blackheads, all sorts of stuff coming to the surface of your skin. And my skin is not perfect. Yes, I've been able to clear my skin from acne over the past few years. If you guys would like to see those videos, I'll link it above in the iCards. But still, my face is not perfect, so I was expecting to see something, and I see nothing. I didn't even feel like that that suction that you feel like when you use like an Indian Aztec clay mask and you feel it kind of like pulling at your skin. I didn't even feel that, y'all. I felt all the 2 tingles right here when I first applied the mask, and that was it. And after that, for the next 9 minutes, I felt nothing, you guys. So yeah, definitely save your money when it comes to this. When you see this, please kindly just scroll past it and save your coins. I know it's only 10 bucks, but still, you can invest that $10 and buy something else that actually works. So yeah, let me go ahead and continue to add these chia seeds so I could take my thumbnail. You know, gotta keep it real with you guys. And then I'm gonna rinse my face off, come back to you guys and show you guys if my face looks different afterwards. Okay, all right. It's so drying, you guys. I legit have to have water to have the chia seeds stick. Alright guys, I am back. I am about to remove this from my face. So I do have some water here in a bowl, and I have my paper towels here. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys how well this mask will come off if you've tried it. So it come off pretty easily, I will say. Do y'all see a difference so far? My skin is supposed to look brighter, fairer, more glowy according to the reports of this mask. So let me know down in the comments if you guys see any changes in my skin. So this is how my skin looks with just wiping it off with water. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see my skin and some of the imperfections I was talking about. As you guys can see, I have blackheads all along this little area of my skin, hyperpigmentation going on, and a few small pimples. The same over here, pimples here. I have a lot of whiteheads here. I have some blackheads here. You guys could see them. And as far as my forehead, I do have some very fine bumps. So I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna just do one final rinse, and then I'm gonna come back and, you know, talk to you guys a little bit. Alright guys, so I am back. I did a final rinse in the bathroom with some water, and as you guys can see, this is how my face looks. It looks the same. It just looks freshly rinsed. My face does feel a little bit dry. I do have to put some moisturizer and things like that on my face. You know, this ain't really do what it said it was going to do. You know, I was expecting for things to come out of my skin, and there's stuff in my skin, you guys. I have a lot of like whiteheads and things that's like in my nose. I have blemishes here and here, as you guys saw in the close-up. So the mask could definitely work on my skin. I know somebody on my last green stick mask video was kind of like, well, your skin is already nice, so what did you expect? But what's being advertised is if I use this mask, things are supposed to come out of my skin, and nothing happened. There was no change. So it does not work, you guys. So when you guys see these products being advertised, please just kindly scroll past these products, because it's kind of crazy how far people are willing to go to sell their products. They are blatantly lying to people just to sell their products, and unfortunately consumers are falling for it. And I know, as I said before, it's only like a $10 product, but that's still $10 that you could have actually invested in something that actually works. So yeah guys, if you see this, just go ahead and scroll past it. It is a scam, it is a sham, and I would not recommend. Definitely give this 0 out of 10 stars, because it did not do anything that it said it was going to. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I will definitely appreciate it. Also, if you guys see any additional products on the market that have super duper crazy claims like this one, leave it down below. I would love to do a review on it. Or if you guys see any type of skincare products or new skincare products that are coming out and you guys want me to review it, definitely leave those down in the comment section. I'm always open to you guys' video ideas. I want to do things that you guys actually want to see, so definitely leave those down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss an upload from me, because I am out here saving y'all coins, okay? I am telling y'all the real deal when it comes to these products. But definitely comment down below, subscribe, turn on your notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.